English +1. Food and health. Countable and uncountable nouns. By the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to talk about food and meals. What is uncountable nouns? Countable nouns are things that we can count using numbers. They have singular, which is things we have got one, and plural form, which things we have got more than one. We use a and an for singular forms, and we add s, or es, or ies for plural nouns. For example, I own a cat, in singular, and she owns 3 cats, in plural. Uncountable nouns are for the things we can't count with numbers. They are used with singular, and usually do not have a plural form. We can't use a or in with plural nouns, but we can use the word some. For example, can you give me some sugar? I drink some orange juice. Activity 1. Find example of the words below, in the texts on page 52 and 53. Which are countable? Please write C. And which are uncountable? Please write U. Add the words to rules 1 to 2. Now, check your answers. Now, add the words to rules number 1 and 2. Activity 2. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Uncountable. How much? There's lot of pasta. There's some rice. There isn't much cheese. There isn't any meat. Countable. How many? There are a lot of vegetables. There are some pears. There aren't many grapes. There aren't any crisps. Listen and understand. Quantifiers. Much, many, a lot of, any. Many. We use many for countable nouns. For example, there aren't many apples. How many apples do you eat? Much. We use much for uncountable. For example, there isn't much pasta. How much pasta do you eat? Any. A lot of. Some. We use any, a lot of, and some for both countable and uncountable nouns. Activity 3. Look at the sentences in exercise 2 and choose the correct words in rules 1 to 3. We use much with uncountable nouns. We use many with countable nouns. We often use any, much, and many in questions and negative sentences. Activity 4. Complete questions 1 to 5 with much and many. Then choose the correct words in the answers. Use the quantifiers. Number 1. Meat. Meat is uncountable. The answer is much. How much meat do vegetarians eat? They don't eat any meat. Number 2. Vitamins. Vitamins are countable. The answer is many. How many vitamins are there in white rice? There aren't many vitamins in white rice. Number 3. Fat. Fat is uncountable. The answer is much. How much fat is there? In chocolate, there's a lot of fat in chocolate. Number 4. Fruit. Fruit is uncountable. The answer is much. How much fruit is there? In fizzy drinks, there isn't much fruit in fizzy drinks. Number 5. People. People are countable. The answer is many. How many people can't eat nuts? There are some people who can't eat nuts. Activity 5. What do you usually eat and drink every week? Complete the sentences. Then compare your sentences with other people in the class. Are they same or different?